Hi. So before, I hope you've done your work, okay? For any reason, sometimes we're very busy. Okay, we've got our tests and all that. So essentially, right, for those people who are dropping in, basically what we do is every week, right? This is worksheet 28, okay? So next week will be worksheet 29. So every week, right? The worksheets will be uploaded already. So what you do is you can do those. You do it first. You can submit online. When you submit it online, I'm not the one who is marking it. All right. When you submit online, right, what happens is that the computer, all right, will generate the answers for you. All right. They will mark it for you. They will tell you whether it's correct or incorrect. Okay. And in some instances, they give you answers also. So after not all everything they give answers, all right. Some things they do give answers. Most things they give answers. So what you need to do is you can come. What you need to do next is come for the lesson. So the lesson is where the tutor, it can be any tutors here, we explain to the students what the correct answer, how you can derive at the correct answer. Sometimes your answers are all correct. So you just come in and you just listen in. Okay, can take it like a revision for you. Okay. I try my best to go as average as possible, because if I go too fast, some students may think it's too fast and then they cannot catch up, right? So I will try my very best to make it average, okay? So that if you're very fast, or rather you have done it and then you get all correct, right? So you just listen in. I won't go too fast, because if I do that, then it's going to be tough for many people. Okay, can? So we don't let anyone be left behind. So in other words, we don't stress people. People come here to study, so we all study together. Is it okay? Any questions, you can just chat with me. All right. Okay, guys, so let's move on. If you've done it, great. If you've not done it because you have your own reasons, it's okay. You come here, you can try with me. Okay, no issue. Try with me. And when you try with me, right? I will also give you the answers. All right. Now, some students, what they do is there are options in that particular page, there's options. So one option is to download and download worksheet. When you download worksheet, right, you can download worksheet and print it, okay? Or you can download worksheet. You don't have to print it. You put it in your computer, because some people they use XP Pen or iPad so they can write. Okay, some people don't like it like that. So some people don't want to download. So what they do is they answer on the spot. So that is, yeah, you just type the answer, then the computer will generate the answers for you. So it's fully online like that. Okay, but like I said, some people don't want. Some people still want to annotate, because you can see later there's quite a lot of annotations, etc. Right? So yeah, that's the reason why you come over and then you can write in. You can write the difficult words, any difficult words that you have learned. Also, right, I put myself like this because I'm not well and I'm at home, right? So my virus can spread all over. So I also have to protect myself. Okay, can protect the people around me. So okay, guys. What happens is this. If so for those people who have not seen the worksheet at all, because you're dropping in, right? So you just listen in, okay, and then you see how we study. All right. Okay, these are the questions we're going to do. Question number 1 to number 5. So that's grammar MCQs. Questions number 6 to 10 is vocabulary close. Questions number 11 to 16, open-ended comprehension. So basically, every week we will cover grammar and vocab. If you notice, the last section, Ariano is here. Hold on. Hello, Ariano. Hold on, just write down your name, okay? So that is easy when I am later, when I click your attendance, all right? Okay, so usually the last question, right? The last question usually is sometimes composition, sometimes comprehension, all right? Sometimes it's other things. So, but usually we do have grammar, vocabulary, but not, sometimes vocabulary is changed to synthesis, right? Remember, we have grammar, vocab, synthesis, grammar, vocab, comprehension, grammar, vocab, composition. Yeah, so things like that. So we have varied. It's not like every week is the same grammar, vocab, comprehension. No, it's varied. So we cover 3 components per week, but different components. Okay, so you have a better feel when you are doing your papers. Okay, we go on now. Answer all questions, type all answers in the given spaces. All right. Okay. So we go on now. Class prerequisites. That's why it's called class prerequisites. So before the lesson starts, you can do all this first. Okay, can? So I know that some students, some people think that it's like a tuition and other tuition centers, they give you worksheet, then you do on the spot with the teacher, right? Teacher explain, then you do, then teacher go through. So now, no, for 88 tuition online, you have to do first, then you meet the teacher, then we explain to you. Okay, can? So that's essentially how it works. If you don't know how to do, you can also go for the lesson and then you learn and then you write down the notes. Are you okay? And we also have an A5 exercise book, okay, where we can write down all the vocabulary words that you just learned. Is it okay? Can? Let's go. Oops. All lessons are recorded, okay? Recorded lessons are basically for my teaching, for my own teaching and for 88 tuitions property, okay? Just this is FYI. Okay, let's move on. 88's house rules. So there are house rules, people. So those people who are with me all the while, they know what to do, right? And I hope that you follow through. So if I open up, you will see all of them, right? They are actually, why never switch on the video? Okay, compulsory to turn on your video and mute your microphone, right? So on your videos, please. This is not my rule. This is the company's rule. Thank you very much, everybody. Yes, thank you. Hello. So then, but later I'm going back to my face, right? I'm going back to my face. All right. So essentially, we won't see you at all. All right, you will only see me like this. Is that okay, Ken? It's just that for me to see you and then your attendance and see who you are and who I'm teaching. Is that okay, Ken? So let's move. So please use the chat function if you would like to do any of the following. Ask a question, answer a question, share feedback. Okay. So I'll ask you, suppose some will ask you, what's your answer? So you just chat with me your answer. Okay, just tell me your answers. Where's the chat function? You just go down here and then you can chat. All right. Okay, Ken? Okay, next we move on. If there is anything urgent, please raise your hand and wait for teacher's permission to unmute yourself for speaking. If you need to be excused, right? Toilet break, please inform the teacher and return at ASAP. Be mindful to be respectful to all students and teachers in class. All right. But so far, you have been, the students who have been here are very respectful students, right? Very respectful, very answer the questions, right? And ask good questions. And really, if they really don't know, they ask me. So you have been very good audience, yeah? So you keep it up. Keep up the good behavior. Okay, we move on now. Next, sometimes my thing got stuck. Grammar MCQs. All right, so let's try this. Okay, we are doing this thing called phrasal verbs, right? So this one here, prepositional phrase, phrasal verb. Her notebook is about to what? She needs a new one. What do you think? Fall by, fall off, fall out. Fall out. What does fall out means? Fall out means you and your friends, right? Have an argument, and because of that argument, right, you and your friend do not want to talk to one another. So you have a fallout. So it can be between you and your friend. Maybe you can be between you and your leader, right? Example only, all right? Fall apart means everything is not going to be happy forever, all right? So there are three answers here. Oh, D, D, B, D. Okay, some people say B, all right? So her notebook is about to fall off. She needs a new one. And then some students write down fall apart. She needs a new one. So what's the difference? Fall off is you put something here, right? Then my pen over here, right? My pen is gonna fall off, right? It's going to roll and fall off. So fall apart means what? It's going to be, you think damage? You think it's damage? Let's check it out. Yes, correct. The answer is D. Okay. It means damage essentially. Okay, it means damage. Yeah? All right. Okay. It's about to fall apart, meaning it's about to yeah, notebook, as in, your notebook. All right. So it's gonna fall apart, meaning that it's probably sides are torn, etc. Okay. Next, let's go on. Good. That's the correct answer. If you get it wrong, it's okay. Never mind. You learn. All right. You learn. It's okay. That's why you come for enrichment. Okay. It's not like you get everything correct. Then if it's wrong, it's all right. You learn. Okay. My mom bought an expensive designer necklace, which, hold on. I go down here. I need my pen. My pen. Where's my pen? Okay, here we go. Okay, can. My mom bought an expensive designer necklace, which what? Turned out, turn up, turn in, turn off. I think you know the meaning of turn off, right? Turn off the tap. Turn in yourself. So what does turn in? Turn in to the police, right? Turn up means you turn up for the event. Turn out. So let's check out. There are three answers again. A. Okay, very good. Nobody will see your name because I actually, when I read the chat, I usually will read very fast. Okay. So even if you write the wrong answer, it's okay. No. Anyway, you won't. People won't really see. It's only for me, right? So turn out is the correct answer. I think. Yes, you are right. Very good. Well done. Well done, people. Okay, so turn out to be fake. So yeah, it is. It is fake. Okay. Next, Lily, really, what's a salsa dance? Okay, maybe I can show you what salsa dance is. Hold on, salsa. Actually, salsa is a kind of they do the salsa dance for some kind of competition too. All right, the salsa dance like one man and one female and one male. Hold on now, salsa dance. Hold on now. Oops, Toby is here. Hold on now, let me just get up from here. Hi Toby. We are doing number 3 only. I don't know why. Yeah, I'm gonna keep this. Okay, that's the problem. If I go in and out. Okay, hold on now. I write down Toby's name. Toby, and who else came just now? Ariano, Ken. All right. So I'm gonna put present here. Okay, can do. Okay, can. So the rest, I will just keep it as such. Okay, so later we go and check again. So salsa looks like that. Competitions are, you know, I think Singapore will have salsa dance also. Should have, because this is, if you're a dancer, Singapore, okay, and this is one of the important dancers, dance performances. Yeah, so let me just show you the image. Yeah, so this is the salsa dance. All right. So you see, like that. So everybody learn how to dance. Is it okay? Can? Yeah, so it's a kind of dance that is very, very popular in European countries. Okay. In Singapore also, like you saw just now, people actually join this type of places. All right. My slideshow, my current slideshow. Okay, can. So what do you think? Stands up in her salsa dance, stands in her salsa dance, stands out. What do you mean by stands out? Stands beyond her salsa class because she can dance so well. You dance so well. So what is your answer here? Okay, I got 2 answers. C stands out. Okay, so 4 answer. All right, so stand out. How do we know that the answer is stand out? When you stand out means you are looking the most impressive. Yeah, so far I've got 5 students who are saying all stands out, correct. So your performance is magnificent, great performance, right? You're so good, right? You're so good that you stand out, meaning that people can see that you are the best dancer in this case. Okay, can? So we move on to number 4. Okay. Oh my, oh dear, I give you the answer for number 4 already. Okay, never mind. Okay, it's okay. Then we can do together. This business tycoon will be a very, very rich, wealthy. Not only we're talking about wealthy, but very successful, right? Wealthy and successful. Of course, be wealthy and not successful is a bit strange, right? So anyway, yeah, very wealthy and successful businessman, right? The business tycoon, what school at the age of 13? Drop out of. Drop off cannot. Like your parents would drop you off school, right? Or maybe, yeah, drop off point, right? Drop out means drop out school is strange. So you need to have drop out of school at the age of 13. Drop away means you drop far away from the school, so it's not. This is your answer. Quite a number, okay, not only 1 or 2, but quite a number of these business tycoons are actually not all of them. Some of them actually drop out of school. Like in Britain, right, there is this man, he's Richard Branson. He owns a Virgin Airlines and he dropped out of school at the age of 15 and he's a multi-billionaire, I think now, right? You know, the CEO of iPhone, right? Steve Jobs, he passed away already. So he also dropped out of school, but he dropped out, I think, in college. So quite a number of them. Not asking, not saying that, no. What I mean is that some of the